Hello, I'm Dylan Lay, and I am part of Group 1. Jordan Story is behind the camera, and we are designing 3 holes for a golf course on a topography map.
Alright, for our first hole, it needed to be a par 5 that's 520 yards. So the scale on our map gave us 600 feet was 2.27 inches. So we scaled that out. So 520 yards is going to equal about 1,560 feet. So for hole 1, it's a tricky par 5 with a double dog leg to the right running 520 yards. The tee shot from this hole will determine how you do. If you want, you can play it safe, or you can shoot it down the fairway that has a slight curve in it while playing a hook or a draw depending on what way you shoot. The second option for a tee shot is to hit a nice drive about 250 yards and cut the corner and end up nicely for an approach shot coming up. This hole has a nice slope funneling towards the fairway. The green is forgiving with a big landing area for lower trajectory shots coming in. This hole can be considered as a strategic hole design.
Hole 2 is a fair length-sized par 4 with having a slight dogleg to the left. From the tee, the hole starts to go uphill. The hole has a slight slope to the left and the right that heads towards the fairway. The wind might play a factor on this hole because the hole itself is fairly sheltered, so the wind will head north to south or south to north. A layup long iron would be best fit for this hole, unless you want to cut the corner on the fairway on the left side. This hole is a good example of a heroic hole.
Hole 3 starts with a clean shot off the tee box to avoid hitting the bushes that are on the right and on the left. The tee shot is heading in an uphill direction, so when choosing a club, elevation needs to be considered. The green has water that is on the left and a hill that goes up to the right, so everything runs right to left on this hole. The green is contoured, rising up 15 feet heading towards the east, so an accurate tee shot is needed. Wind will most likely be limited off the tee as you are surrounded by hills, but once you get closer to the green, the wind may come into effect if it's coming towards the south. This hole is a good example of a panel design style hole that has no landing areas other than the green, so you're shooting over native grasses and between trees as well as around the green is hazardous. Alright, I hope this video gave you a clear representation of where we put our holes and why we put them and the challenges that lie within them. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.